it's Katie with the OCI team, and today we're going to talk about creating your cost proposal for a contract modification or change order record in OCI. Please follow along with the corresponding job aid located on the OFCC website. The contract modification record workflows now utilize DocuSign, which enables electronic signature of change orders, including GMP amendment, proposal request, request for change order, and change directive. You do not have to have a DocuSign account to sign this change order. However, you can sign up for a free account. For more information about how to use DocuSign, you can download the DocuSign job aid that's available on our website. Before we create your cost proposal, I did want to give you a couple notes about deduct change orders. If you're going to be taking money away from your contract, this proposal will lock the contract schedule of values, and no applications for payment will be able to be created until this change order is either approved or withdrawn. We do have a new workflow to remedy this. The expedited deduct change order workflow can be activated for your project and can help you avoid locking the schedule of values. In order to activate this workflow, please contact your OFCC project manager. Also, if you have an application for payment in your drafts, it will be corrupted when a deduct change order is created. The fix for this is to create your application for payment, send it forward to the AE, and have the AE return it to you for clarification. This changes the status of your application for payment record and keeps the change order from corrupting it. If you have any questions on deduct change orders, please contact the OCI support desk or your OFCC project manager. The proposal request process is used when the revision to the contract schedule of values will not adversely impact the construction schedule or the finished product if not implemented. The AE initiates the proposal request, and then the contractor provides the pricing and time impact. Proposal requests are labeled in OCI as contract modifications. Again, it's created by the architect, sent to the contractor for proposal creation, sent to the AE for review, back to the proposal update if necessary, then to the project manager for review, and then it will go to the vendor signature via DocuSign. The contractor will receive an email notification from OCI that they have a contract modification task for proposal creation. In the email, you can click on the Unifier login link to access your task. Once my task opens, I'm going to note the information in the task details pane, who my record came from, who it was sent to, and what it was sent for, proposal creation. In order to create my cost proposal, I now need to click the Accept Task button. Once I click that Accept Task button, I'm going to click on the General tab to expand that upper form. And then I'm going to scroll down to the Change Order Cost and Time Impact section. Here I will enter any days that have changed for the contract, as well as any cost impact. Once I fill out that information, I'm going to fill in the cost proposal amounts by adding line items. I'll add the line items by clicking the Line Item List tab. Next, I'm going to click the Add button. If I'm going to deduct money from an existing line on my contract, I'm going to click Select next to the reference line. Next, I'm going to highlight the line that I wish to modify and click Select. The information will populate here, and then I'm going to add my negative amount. I'll enter a subcontractor or supplier if necessary. I'll add the associated building if necessary. And I'll click OK. I can see that the line has populated here on the lower form of my record. Now I'm going to add another line. This time I'm going to add a new positive line to my contract by choosing the little arrow next to the WBS code box. When the new window opens up, I'm going to click the Collapse button to simplify my list. Then I'm going to click the plus button next to the WBS code that I need to add to my contract. I'll continue expanding these codes until I find the appropriate code that I'm looking for. Once I find the appropriate code, I'll click the Select button. And you'll see that my code has populated here in my line item screen. I'll add a short description and the amount and a subcontractor or supplier if necessary. Then I'll click OK. Now you'll see that I have two lines on my list. My first line that I added, the deduct line, has a reference number, and my second line with my add money does not have a reference number. This should always be like this. Anytime I'm adding money to my contract, the reference should be 0. Anytime I'm deducting money from my contract, the reference should have a number associated with it. I can see that my total amount is $10,000. If I go back up to my general form, I should see that my total amount, $10,000, now matches my line item total of $10,000, and my difference is 0. Now I'm going to send this record on to the next step by choosing Action Details pane, choosing my workflow action Submit. I can see that it's going to go to the AE for their review, and I simply click Send. If you have any questions about creating your cost proposal, you can contact the OCI support desk at oci@ofcc.ohio.gov or 614-644-2211.